protractor. So to use a protractor, we have a few steps that we need to follow. So one, we need to make or draw a straight line. And this will be one of the rays. Draw a straight line, and this will be one of the rays. The easiest way to draw a straight line, if we skip, let's skip 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's skip 8 lines. The easiest way to do that is to use your paper. That's the easiest way. After you draw the straight line, you're going to place the center, and it's the T, the upside down T, of the protractor on the end point. You're going to place the center, which is the upside down T, of the protractor on the end point. So here's my end point. Here's my protractor. And see my upside down T. I'm going to center that. And I've lined it up perfectly. Now here's the other difficult part of a protractor. There are 2 sets of numbers. You may have your own personal protractor and it may not have 2 sets of numbers. But ours have 2 sets of numbers because your line, your ray, your angle that you're working with could open to the right or open to the left. Right? It could open to the right. Or it could open to the left. You need to be able to measure it. Both of these are obtuse angles, so you need to be able to measure both ways. So if I wanted to create an angle, right? If I was measuring an angle, and this is what my angle looked like, I would know that it was an acute angle, so I would pick the smaller numbers. If my angle was like this, I'd know that it was obtuse, so I'd measure off of the larger numbers. If I want to create an angle, I'm going to find the value and place a dot. So my step number 3 is find the degree value and put a dot. Find the degree value and put a dot. So if I wanted a 182 degree angle, I would center this up, line it up, and I'm opening this way, so I'm going to have to go to 182 and put a dot. If I wanted a 90 degree angle, I would go to 90 and put a dot. Now here's the difficult part of our protractors. We need to trim them up a little bit. Okay?
So do we get to cut them?
So this is your protractor.
Oh, the key? Do we keep it? Yeah. Forever? Let's go. Forever?
Keep
Forever and ever?
Forever.
That's a long time. If I cut it, I mean, rip it.
Don't worry, you'll lose it in a day or 2.
Oh, no, white.
So once I've trimmed my protractor, I'm going to, hold on, you're not going to do this yet. Please wait. I want to do 140 degrees, so I want it to be obtuse. 140 degrees. You're not doing anything yet. You're going to find the degree value and put a dot. Not yet. Then you're going to connect the dot to the end point. And there's my obtuse angle. What I want you to do, you're going to practice, so just a second. You're going to do that on your own in a minute. I want you to draw a 42-degree left facing angle. And I want you to draw a 127-degree right facing angle.
Wait, so can we choose? Do we have to choose the way we have to